How's it going, guys? My name is Alden Morris, and today I'm going to be introducing the Beez Combat Systems Ice Hydration Carrier. Now you can see it on the back here of this Beez Combat Systems Optum ESAPI shooter plate carrier. You'll see that this actually holds QORE Performance's ice curve plate, or ice plate curve, however order it goes in. It's a new style of bladder that holds 50 ounces or 1.5 liters that allows the operator or wearer to hydrate throughout the field with the ability to freeze their pack. So the QORE Performance ice plate curve can actually be frozen, and they on their website have directions on how to properly go about doing so for temperature control if the wearer wants to freeze their product that they purchased from them. Now I am going to do a close-up real quick for you to show how it actually attaches. Then I'm going to remove it from the Optum plate carrier and show you all the benefits and features of the actual hydration carrier itself. Now this is the ice plate curve. I'll get you closer for a better look here. As you can see, this is by the company QORE Performance. And what Beez Combat Systems has done is they designed a hydration carrier that is compatible with the QORE Performance's ice plate curve. Now I left the hose in there just for purposes of being able to demonstrate that Beez Combat Systems designed the ice hydration carrier to be ambidextrous when it comes to where you want to place the hose. So it can be left or right side depending on where you want your hose to line up at. So you can route the hose on both sides, and at the bottom it does connect to the QORE Performance ice plate curve as well. So now the features and benefits of the hydration carrier, if you want to run this on your plate carrier, is the fact that it's an external mounting system. So it does come with the GRIDLOK attachment technology. This allows you to attach it to any MOLLE compatible with PAL's webbing plate carrier, whether you want to run a Spiritus or Feral Concepts or even Condor for that matter. This does include the 3x6 Velcro ID field. So if you want to attach patches or whatnot, blood type, last name, things like that, it's really up to you. Now the beauty about this hydration carrier is, if you're familiar with Beez Combat Systems plate carriers, this is actually more of a template of the American Century back panel. And that just so happened to fit a perfect 10x12 style plate, which QORE Performance made into a bladder basically. Now it is polyurethane, it is plastic, so that's just because they designed it that way for their freezing abilities. But the point of the hydration carrier is that this was a simple design based on a previous product that actually really went well with QORE Performance's product as well. So it is made in the United States, and it is very compliant, as well as it is mil-spec thread and Velcro. If you look at the hydration carrier itself, you'll see that the bottom is a 2-inch Velcro flap design. So just to kind of demonstrate, when you put it in, you're simply just literally sliding it in there, then you're closing that panel on the inside, and that 2-inch Velcro enclosure secures it into place. And as for the port that I have here on my left side, you just simply plug it in. Get a little extra space there, and there it goes, clicks right in. And as you can see, this is what it looks like with the carrier and the bladder inside of it. Now you can see that there's a laser cut on the inside, so when you do that weaving process, when you're mounting it to the back of a plate carrier, it's nice and easy for you. As well as on the facing side, the external side, you're going to have additional laser cut webbing if you want to go even further and mount a radio pouch or an IFAK or a dump pouch on the external portion of your loadout. So other than that, it's fully laser cuts. I cannot remember the MSRP on it right now, but it definitely retails around 60 bucks. So do check that out. I'll leave a link at the bottom and underneath in the description as well. And other than that, you're getting the best of both worlds when it comes to a hydration carrier that's affordable, made in the USA, comes with a mounting system so you can eradicate that third-party load-bearing system or company by utilizing the GRIDLOK attachment technology, and then you're given more real estate if you want to go further and attach even other or more pouches. So ambidextrous ports, so you can attach your hose to either side that you're comfortable with, and there's a routing system. And depending on the carrier, especially if you're running Beez Combat Systems carrier, there are the shoulder pads themselves, or the shoulder straps. Let me grab it for you. You can also utilize on any Beez Combat Systems carrier on the shoulder pads themselves. You can utilize even further when it comes to where you want to mount your hose and it's securing into place. So do check that out if you're interested in the QORE. If you already have the QORE Performance's ice plate curve and you want to purchase the hydration carrier for the ice plate curve, do check out Beez Combat Systems. If you're looking to run a plate carrier with it, I'll leave a link for the Optune that you saw in this video as well, so that way you can check out those products and see if that cost benefit ratio is good for you. So again guys, thanks for watching. This is the ice plate curve hydration carrier by Beez Combat Systems. Thanks for watching.